Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Wazuh Pandey from Batch 33A. So today I'll be doing a demonstration on my thesis. So I have two EC2 instance up and running, the Wazuh server and the MISP server, both having associated IP addresses, associated elastic IP addresses. So let's look at the Wazuh instance. So I have connected three agents here: the local Linux, or Ubuntu, and a Windows machine. We can see from here. So in this project, I have integrated different aspects of for the SIEM solution. So my project all is on a cloud-based SIEM that is effective. I am evaluating its effectiveness uh for cloud security and endpoint security. So let's see that. So I have integrated. I I have enabled FIM. So let's look at the Ubuntu server here. So the film has been enabled here. So I have only enabled on four different sections here. You can add more. The root home sss.sss, the user local bin for binaries, and the downloads file. So let's now it will generate this log. So you can go on the threat hunting platform here. So this is my alert for the last 30 days, having a high alert of all level 12 above here, and the authentication failure as well as this. The dashboard is here. I have five agents, and the agent ranking is here, and how what type of logs are being generated. So let's look at the event platform here. So I have added the file, and VirusTotal checks the if the file has any virus or not. So I have also integrated Suricata here, so we can see the Suricata logs here. And so it is showing logs of the Nmap scan, a potential access outbound, as well as the root execution and ICMP ping detection here. I also enable VirusTotal. So it is saying there is no records as well as no positives found here, and this is for the free tier. So there is the red limit red limit log being shown. I've also integrated MISP. So in MISP there are 88 feeds. So it collects, this is the malware information sharing platform, and it collects data from 88 sources. So we need to enable these feeds, and the Wazuh will, and I have integrated with it with Wazuh using a custom Python code. So it will it will see if there is any kind of IOC indicators of compromise have been done or not. So as you can see, this from the rule emergence state, the fish tank, the abuse.cs, it is very famous for identifying malicious IPs, block list, and alien vault. So it collects all the data from there and puts in a centralized server. So I have connected with Wazuh. So let's look at in here in Wazuh. So I have made a generation of alert. So we can see there is IOC found in threat intel. The log is showing here. I have also integrated this Wazuh to Slacks for. So this is Slack. This is a ticketing platform that we can use for Wazuh. So the alert level of level 7 and above will come here. So Wazuh classifies is alert level from 0 to 16, 0 to 15, and from 7 starts the medium. So 7 to 16 is, so will show here. We can see the Wazuh alert checksum integrity changed here. Postbase anomaly rootkit found here. Application compile database run. So this is for the For the IDS, MISP, the Threat Intelligence Platform, Suricata is an IDS, VirusTotal for searching malicious files. Since this focus also on cloud security, I have enabled three types of logs here. So Cloud Trail, VPC flow logs, and S3 solver logs. I also plan to integrate CloudWatch, but CloudWatch will be removed of, from 2 month will be removed in 2 months, so I haven't done that. So let's look at the cloud trail. So this is the EC2 stance and stop stance, the list groups, IAM users. So the cloud trail is there. Also for the VPC flow logs. So VPC flow logs here has been given here. Also the so this is the server access list. So I have created a profile that is default, that is my IAM user, and I also added a custom policy here, and I enabled the VPC flow logs, and also I have created a cloud trail for a cloud trail. So this is the Wazuh user that I have used for the cloud security part. The policy is here. So this policy gets the list bucket as well as the get object, and this is my S3 bucket name. This is for the S3 access log, and this is for the VPC flow logs. I have also created some custom rules in Wazuh, and Wazuh also has an inbuilt compliance for GDPR, PCSS, HIPAA, and as well as NIST and TCS, and it also has the CIS benchmark as well as compatible with the SOC 2. So here let's look at the custom rules that I have created. So the local rules, this is for the SSH brute force section. So it detects the SSH brute force here. This is for the so this rule checks if the for the if there is an IP coming from the public source. This is for the ChatGPT integration. This is for the Apache 2 service start down. If the Apache service is stopped, as well as the MySQL as a Postgres SQL, which can be which needs to be enabled all the time for financial sector. And this is for the MISP integration part. So the log was also from this part here. The ISF was found from connecting here. So I have already enabled that. So let's look at the threat detection platform again. So the MariaDB log stop has been successfully the custom rule has been enabled, as well as the Postgres stop service, as well as the Apache stopped, as well as the as you can see, the I have the file that I've created, the OKJSPS, as well as the FIM has been enabled here, and it will pop up an alert, as well as the virus router will check if there is any malware found here. This is my overall thesis. Thank you very much.